Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to play iMessage games. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to the messaging app right here. And then go ahead and open up the message or select a friend you want to challenge. Then once that's done, go ahead and go to the bottom left, tap on the plus sign. Now tap on more and tap on store. There you go. And then go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the search bar. And just got to find Game Pigeon. All right, this one right here. Now what you'll do is select Game Pigeon and tap on Get and just wait for it to install. Once installed, close everything right here. Wait a bit. Now open up Messages. Now again, go ahead and find the contact. Now tap on the plus sign once more. Tap on More. Tap on Game Pigeon. Now from here, you'll be able to select multiple games. As you can see, you have a ton of options right here. Let's say, for example, you wanted to play 8-ball pool. You have that option in here. So just go ahead and tap on it, and then just tap on Send or Play. Send right here. And then when you go ahead and tap on the message, it will go ahead and wait for the opponent. So the opponent must join you so that you'll be able to play it. And that's how easy it is to play iMessage games. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.